Hello, here have a guide step by step for the buy Sleepless AI, okay? This crypto have exchange, okay, with Binance, HTX, MEXC, okay? For example, Binance, okay? Go to the official website, okay? And go to the buy cryptos here, okay? And here go to the section of buy, okay? And here you select your currency, okay? For example, el euro or el of the dollar, okay? And here you select the token, okay? Sleepless AI, okay? And here you put the quantity of your currency. You put the quantity, okay? For example, 5 euros, okay? And here you have the amount of Sleepless AI, okay, with this amount of your currency, okay, and here you buy, okay, okay, and register in Binance, okay, and you buy the Sleepless AI. Bye bye.